Hi, welcome back to Hana's Quilt channel. My name is Hana. Today I will show you how to set up the Freemotion Quilting Juki 2010 Q sewing machine, and I do like to share my method of using Freemotion on painted fabric. Let's get started. This right here, your stitch ranks. I want this set up at 0. I'm going to go ahead and drop the dogs down for free motion quilting. And talking about the pressure button right here, you can see the blue bar going down. I want this all the way up like this. I want to use embroidery thread on the top and on the bottom in this time, but I usually use thread weight 40. I'm going to take off the foot that I want to remove, and I've got new one for free motion quilting. You are now ready to start quilting in free motion. If you think you can draw with a black pen by following the shape of flowers, I think you will enjoy running free motion quilting. Even if it's not perfect, I hope it's fun and enjoyable to run. How was this video? If you like this video, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe button. That I really help me out. Thanks so much, and I will see you next time.